Hey everybody, this is Dennis from Sencommunications and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test. Today we're going to be looking at a security application that's made by Yubico. And what is it? What are they used for? What are Authenticator apps? And how can you use it in your day-to-day work life? Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. So what is a Yubico key? At its core, a Yubico is a physical security key that proves you are actually you when logging in. Instead of remembering passwords, waiting for codes, opening an app, or relying on Face ID, you simply tap or insert the key. No codes, no password, no phone, no Face ID, just a key. As you can see, there are tons of different models, sizes, and shapes depending on your application and how you prefer the key. One of the biggest things about Yubico keys are where they're manufactured. Made in the United States and Sweden with trusted partners and companies, it is proven to have the most secure connection. Yubico keys support passkeys and FIDO2 phishing-resistant authentication. What that means is there's no passwords stored, giving hackers nothing to take. Better luck next time, hackers. Let's talk about 3 real-world scenarios in which Yubico key fits perfectly in your workspace. One is we're in an area where you can't have a phone, such as secure locations, client-facing roles, help desk, and in call centers. The second reason is less help desk stress. Password resets are one of the biggest IT headaches. With YubiKey, no forgotten passwords, no reset tickets, no account lockouts. This dramatically reduces help desk load. The third is when someone changes their phone or upgrades. Many people forget to reinstall authenticators or how to reinstall them. Or they forget to delete old passwords on their phone. And with YubiKey, you don't have to do any of that. Here's what it looks like to use the Yubico key. It is super simple and straightforward, but requires the human touch to ensure hackers cannot use the key. To wrap things up, Yubico isn't about making security complicated. It's about making things simple and dependable for your organization. Contact sales@sencom.com if you're interested in learning more. And again, like and subscribe.